Thing. Idea. Now here's the idea comes. The guy thinks to create an app for the mass to enable them to send cakes and greetings. What's in the box? An app that caters to the needs of the family members, friends and colleagues. This app will help the users to send cakes and complimentaries to their loved ones away from homes as a gift for their special days and wishes for their future. Like, guys, how many of us are here who are away from home? Like many of us are away from work, away from home. Like when we were children, our parents used to celebrate our birthday. But when for our higher studies, we have got away from home, our parents are not able to celebrate our birthday or purchase cakes for us. So what do they do? We have created an app, and this app doesn't just sell cakes only, but there are various other things which we will discuss later on. So what this app does, like you will, the parents or anyone will feed the receiver's address, and there will be a landmark. The cake shop which is nearest to the landmark will get to that customers and deliver that cake, and there will be timing difference. Like if the parents want to deliver that cake at 12 o'clock, then at a slightly high price, that cake will be delivered at 12 o'clock at night. In the morning, like with price differences, we will deliver that cake. This app includes cake, pastry, cupcakes, muffins, cookies, chocolates, dry fruits, snacks and cold drinks. Complimentaries, decorative items and greetings. Now what's the process? The guy will order on the app. The order will be placed on the app. Payment for the order made. He will pay. Like there is demonetization in the country, so there are various mobile wallets. So either the guy will pay through those mobile wallets like Paytm or that debit credit card. Because since it is a gift, it cannot afford to have cash on delivery, because the guy who receives the gift cannot cash. Then the order confirmed by the nearest cake shop. Order will be processed, and then the order will be delivered. And therefore project celebration time. Now what I have just concluded the process here once again. Like first order will be placed on the app, then the payment made, then order will be confirmed by the nearest cake shop to that landmark, then the order will be processed, then it will be delivered, and this is celebration time. Allocation of capital. This allocation of capital has been done on calcxml.com/calculators. We have, as we are startup, we are also not aware of that much expenses, so we have taken the help of calcxml.calculators. So owner salary, we are not taking any salary. Employee salary for the first 10 months, for the first, like in the initial stage, we can afford only 10 employees, and there will be 10, we will pay 10,000, so 1 lakh salaries. 1 lakh is the salary. Public utilities, we have apps, so there will be app maintenance on a regular basis, this is a monthly cost 50,000, and you can see we have allocated our capital in this format. There will be app rent to be charged, like the cake shop, we will provide this app. So app rent to be charged in the initial stage by the cake shop owners will partner with us. We will give them 6 months free app, like we will not charge them any rent, and that will cost us 8 lakh per month. Rent lease payments 40,000 for the office. Advertisement, this is like monthly expenditure of advertisements in the newspaper or pamphlets. Then postage and shipping costs, we have not included any. Supplies are 1 lakh, telephone 10,000, transportation 15,000. We will be going to the cake shop owners and partnering with them. Business health insurance 50,000. Taxes, as we are startup, we will get some discount. Like we are MSME, right? Our total capital is 1 crore. So this is a small enterprise. There we will get some tax benefit there. Interest payments, maintenance, legal. Okay, we have less time, so I will go through this. This is capital. Allocation of capital has been done for a period of 6 months. This is the graph. Next, this is what we have calculated on Calci XML calculators. The percentage of every expenditures are there out of total expenditure. Next, this is funding. Where do we collect this funding from? Own investment. Like we have some savings, and from our relatives we will collect some amount. So our own investment will be there. Like crowdfunding. Crowdfunding is nowadays very much popular. Like in India, Indiegogo is popular. In the USA, Kickstarter. Indiegogo, like Indiegogo is a flexible crowdfunding. Like if your limit is crossed, you can avail all the amount, and if you cannot cross that benchmark, you can give slash the amount to Indiegogo and then avail it on a discount. Angel investor, we will look for angel investors, MSME loans, and then sponsors. These are since we are startup, there are still many uncharted territories to explore, but still we have considered some revenue sources. Those are in-app purchases, like what these days paid apps. People generally don't download paid apps, so we will upload a free app on the Play Store, on App Store, and various other stores, and there will be in-app purchases. This is most popular nowadays. There will be ad libraries, ad mob. You guys must have seen those different games ads on different games. Like there will be an app on an app advertisement. And the growth. Can I have 2 minutes more? Okay. The growth. The main theme of this app is to provide services to those families whose members are away from home. They might be in any city of the country. Starting with Delhi, we will be branching out to Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, and Bangalore in the initial stage. The plan is to capture the cities nationwide in the next 2 years, utilizing all the company's resources to the best. Add-on, we will continue adding on in our app. There will be regular modifications and upgradation of software, addition of services. We will add our services in the app. Those are in-app services. Introduction of organic cake, like there are various Patanjali products nowadays popular. I have eaten an organic cake in Bangalore last year in Cafe Vishala. They were a bit costly, but those were quite a bit healthy and tasty, and close fit for festivity and additional time. The name of the app is Tap Celebrate, and we have this USP because we love them. We love our celebrity. We love our family members. We love them. And I will welcome questions.